So now let's see how we can work around with Lasso Select tool inside of Pixlr E. So in order to work around with the Lasso Select tool, on the left side you can see that this is the Lasso Select. If I were to click on this, then what happens is that I got a bunch of selection tool. So the option in Lasso Selection tool is the same as in Marquee Select tool, but here you have more freedom of control in the type of shape that you can create. So in the Lasso Select, I'm just going to disable this layer first to show you how this actually works. So on the Lasso Select tool, you can click and drag around any way you like. So you can just go around and then scribble out your way right here, and there's the Lasso Select. If I were to go around over here onto polygon option, then you have more like a straight line selection tool right here, just like this. And then you have this, you have the Bezier right here. So the Bezier allows you to click right here and then create some kind of a curve right here. So just like this, you can click here, again, you can create a curve. You can click right here, create a curve. Click right here, click again, and then without leaving the mouse, you can create the curve right here. So you got more of a refined space just like this. So you can go around right here, and then if you were to go around, there you go. There's the shape that you created. Then another thing that you have is magnetic, and to show you that, I need to enable the picture. So here you can see that I got an object. So if I were to go to magnetic, click here, and now what happens is that it automatically tries to stick on to the edges right here. So I'm not actually clicking and dragging, but I'm just moving my mouse. So if I were to move it slowly, then you can see that it tries to stick to the edges right here so that I can select out an object. I can double click and there you go. So I can go around right here and move this anywhere I like, just like that. And that is how you can work around with the different options. So let me just go around and then click somewhere else right here. So I'm just going to go around onto the Lasso Select, click somewhere else. And here we have different options. Let's say, for example, there's Add to Selection tool right here. So now, just like working with Marquee Select, you can go around, and I'm just going to go around and disable this first. So if I were to click and drag, this is what I have. So if I were to go around and let's say go to Add to Selection, I can add to selection right here, or I can subtract it out. If I were to go around right here, just like the other selection tool, I can enable out the feather right here, click and drag this, and if I were to move this around right here. So I'm just going to go around right here onto the Lasso Select, click and drag this around. The feather rate is 16 as you can see. So let me just click and drag by using the new selection mode right here. And then if I were to move this, you can see that the selection is softer. So I can go around right here, double click, and there you go. This is the soft area right here. So now if I were to go around and then if I were to zoom in, there's the anti-aliasing feature right here. So if I were to, let's say for example, bring down the feather, anti-aliasing is turned on. I can select that portion, drag this out right here. This is what I have. And if I were to go around and then turn on anti-aliasing, then I can go around and then select, let's say for example, turn off anti-aliasing, select this. And then if I were to go to the range tool, click and drag this out, then this is what you have. So you see that this is a sharper area right here, and this is a more softer area. And that is how it actually works like. And that is how you can work around with the Lasso Select tool inside of Pixlr E. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.